In this video, we are going to be looking at how to edit and change the point values of quiz questions, as well as making them mandatory and bonus questions. So if we go back to this quiz section, you can see the quiz we created in the last video, our first quiz. And so we want to edit that quiz. So we're going to click there and we're going to go edit. And again, now it's not visible to users, but if you want, when you want to make it visible to students, you click there. So we're going to edit. And here we come to the same screen we saw when we created our quiz. And we're going to go back to the add or edit questions page here. Now, in order to access the menu for the options that we were talking about, you actually have to select a question. So say we want question 1, we want to talk about that one. As soon as you select it, we get this other menu up here. So you can delete it, you can move it, you can rearrange the questions, but in more actions, you can do some other things. So one thing you can do is assign specific curriculum expectations to that question and align to expectations. But the next two are interesting because you could make it a bonus question or you could make it mandatory. So if you made it a bonus question, then it wouldn't appear toward the average, or it wouldn't be included in the out of, right? So it would be just like a bonus question. And you could also toggle as mandatory, meaning that a student would not be able to save and submit that quiz until they answered that question. So if there's a question you really need them to answer, you don't want them to leave blank, you can force them to answer it before they submit it. All right, so that's those can be really useful options. The other thing you can do is set points. So you can change the number of points for each of these, like so, right in there. All right, so that's a quick way to be able to change the type of question or the status of the question and reassign point values as well. And you can delete and move questions around.